Hi, I'm Jesse Barksdale, Service Manager here at Conicelli Nissan, and I'm excited to share some fantastic service specials to you throughout August. Let's keep your Nissan running at its best this summer. Is your Nissan due for an oil change? This August, get an oil change and filter replacement for just $59.95. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping your engine running smoothly. You need new brakes? Get $25 off on front or rear brake pad replacement. Quality brakes are essential for your safety on the road. Breathe easy with our air and cabin air filter special. This August, get $10 off when you purchase both filters together. Clean filters mean better air quality inside your vehicle. These specials are available for a limited time, so please don't miss out. Schedule your appointment today and let our certified technicians take care of your vehicle. Visit us at ConicelliService.com or give us a call at 888-289-5948. Conicelli Nissan Service Center, a nice place to do business.